discovering your autistic gifts. What are you interested in? What are you good at? What do others praise you for? Hi, this is the Independent Autistic, and on this channel, we empower young adult autistics to independence. First of all, to find your gift, experiment. Until you find something you like, expose yourself to new things and new ideas. Learn the skills and get paid. Talent is natural, but learning the skills will get you paid. Second, take personality tests. These tests will reveal perhaps the talent you have in certain areas and will guide you as to where to look. Next, read career list. There is nothing like reading a whole long list of jobs and perhaps one sticks out to you. And you think, maybe I could do that. Next, and the most important one I think, is volunteering. I cannot emphasize this enough. If you volunteer for a bunch of different things, you will find something that clicks for you. Maybe a passion will arise. Keep volunteering for different things and you will learn and grow without the risk of having to go through an interview and worrying about losing your job. Next, daydream. Who are you in your imagination when your brain just runs wild? Find out who you are in that imagination and translate it into your own new world of independence. Next, be persistent. Hunt for these skills. Keep persisting. Hunt until you find what you are naturally good at and then learn the skill. The right kind of business can offer you huge returns and make you cash flow. Cash flow allows you to hire out those parts of the business that you're not good at. What are you happy doing? A job is pretty worthless if you're unhappy. Find something you are happy doing. Are you a young adult autistic stuck at home and struggling to find more independence? Then the Autistic Bridge to Independence is just what you've been looking for. It's a 5 ebook guide to your independence. Check the link below and get it today. Apply the steps and you can become an independent autistic. And remember, you were born different to make a difference. Go be that difference today.